can be beneficial for them.
Start again now. Do you think if two people are involved, the third person should involve himself in the argument?
Sometimes the involvement of third person can be beneficial if two people are unable to solve their problem. For instance, when people have uh,
Hmm.
when uh, when two people when two people are not do not agree with each other, so the third person can give good advice to solve the matter. But
Yes.
in some circumstances, the entry of third person can can lead to can lead more problems
Can lead to more problems.
can lead to more problems, and he can
So you can say that sometimes the involvement of a third person can help the people involved in the argument to have a more realistic view about the problem and can definitely help in coming to a uh, peaceful solution. Because generally, when people argue, they become too much involved in emotions, they especially negative emotions, that they are not able to think about the practical solutions to a problem. So, if a wise or a mature person interferes and tries to involve himself in the argument, it can definitely be beneficial. Okay? Can you hear me?
हाँ जी मैम.
Okay. On the other hand, if a person involved in the argument, or if the third person involved in the argument is an immature one, it can lead to a
No problem.
it can lead to more mess. It can create more mess in during the disagreements, and the situations can become even worse. But uh, what we generally observe is that definitely involvement of a third person calms the heated argument, and the resolutions definitely come with a positive approach. Okay?
Okay मैम.
Okay. So your answer was also correct. Solve की pronunciation ठीक करो. Solve, not solve.
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 Yes. Practice speaking it. Okay?
Okay मैम.
Okay. Now we come to Arvind. Do you think that if two people argue, the involvement of a third person in the argument is correct?
If two people share are in argument, the third person can solve the problems. It
Please
can be
start.
in.
Be little away from the mic and start.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
If two people were in argument, the third person can
If
solve the
if if two
problems.
people are in an argument, not were.
Are in argument.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Are in argument, the third person can solve the problems. It can be in safe and polite manner. Solving the problem between two peoples can help those who are in argument, especially in negative way on particular situation. Taking advice from third person is good. Believe I believe that solving arguments between two peoples are good.
Okay, so there are a lot of mistakes or sentence formation and grammatical mistakes in your answer. Please repeat
Okay,
your
ma'am.
answer.
If two peoples are in argument, the
There is
third
no
person
word
can.
like peoples.
Yes, yes.
I've told you before also. If two people are in an argument
If two people are in argument,
hmm,
if two people are in argument,
or are
the
involved, hmm,
are involved in argument
Hmm.
the third person can solve the problem. It can be in a safe and polite manner. Solving the problem between two people
The
can help
third,
those
okay, wait here. The third person can solve the problem.
problem. I mean, getting a suggestion from the next person.
Hmm. Can definitely solve the problem, okay, by helping, right? By
Yes,
helping uh, the people in argument to to look at the problem in, okay, with an objective outlook or objective or a practical outlook. Okay. And calm and peaceful. Okay. Uh, Moreover, the situation, the heated uh, situations can be brought under control. Okay. And the matters can end peacefully. Can you see this sentence?
yes, ma'am. I can.
So, do you find the difference between what you said, the way you are forming the sentences, and this one? Please read it.
If two peoples are involved in an argument, the third person can definitely solve the problems by helping the peoples in argument to look at the problem with an objective or an a practical outlook. Moreover, the heated situation can be brought under the control and the matter can end peaceful.
Yes. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you should speak like that. Form your sentences properly. Now, what was the next sentence?
In a particular circumstance, taking advice from the third person is good.
Okay, so I believe that. So, I believe that taking advice from the third person, third party, there is some internet problem. So I believe that taking advice from the third party is surely beneficial. Okay, this is the answer. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Taking advice or taking suggestions from the third party is surely beneficial. Repeat the answer and don't speak peoples. It is people.
People,
Yes, please speak your
people.
answer fast.
If two peoples are involved in an argument, that third person can definitely solve the problems by helping the peoples in argument to look at the problem with an objective or a practical outlook. Moreover, the heated situation can board under the control and matter can end peacefully. So I believe that taking advice from the third party is surely beneficial.
Yes. Okay. It is problem, not problems, and again, it is people, not peoples. You need to improve it, okay?